I know you'll be wondering how exactly is it possible to get two channels monetized in less than 3 months. It's actually very possible. If I did it, you can also do it. Hey, my loves, what's up? And welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And yes, Happy New Year to you and yours from this part of the world. Okay, it's been a long break, Christmas celebration, and now it's a brand new year. So I officially welcome you all to 2025. Okay, and then yes, the good news, we are officially monetized. Okay, now got monetized towards the end of last year. Like it was like a Christmas present. This particular channel got monetized on the 25th of December. And this is basically the second channel I'm monetizing in 1 year. I already monetized my first channel last year. And then I got the second channel monetized around December. And I'm wondering, how did I do it? How do you monetize two channels in just 2-3 months? If I did it, you can do it. If I did it, baby girl, baby boy, you can do the same thing, okay? You'll be asking, how did I achieve this? I mean, it's not really that difficult, it's not that complicated. I was able to achieve this using Restream. Like some people call it Restream or Restream, however you choose to call it. Restream.io, and I did it in my first channel. I remember I made a video on how you can create a Restream account and start streaming your videos to get watch hours. You can check the description box for the link to the particular video because I did it on that other channel. It worked, and I did it on this same channel too, and it also worked here. Yes. So all you have to do is just create your Restream account and start live streaming. Yes, you can choose to go live. Watch hours that come with live streams count towards monetization. The ones that come with your regular videos also count. It's only the ones that come with your YouTube shorts that don't really count. So why don't you, instead of waiting to post videos, create and edit and post, and the watch hours will just be coming in bits. Why don't you just live stream using the Restream and get your watch hours within 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month? Depends on how serious you take it. Because I've seen people who go monetize who did this thing for like just 1 week. I saw them. They stream for only 1 week, they go monetize. Some people stream for 2 weeks, they go monetize. Some people stream for 3 weeks and go monetize. Some people stream for 1 month and got monetized. So depending on how serious you are with your own, I mean, you can do it. You can do it. And the good thing about this process of using Restream is that it also comes with subscribers. Yes. If you're even someone who has less than 1,000 subscribers, maybe you have only 500 subscribers or 200 subscribers, by the time you're even done with this restreaming, you've gotten the 1K subscribers you already need. So even if you don't have subscribers, you don't have watch hours, this process will give you the subscribers you need, the 1,000 subscribers you need, and the 4,000 watch hours that you need. This video is not for people that have issues with Restream, people that are always bad mouthing Restream, maybe because they are already monetized, or maybe because they are big YouTubers or whatever. This is for growing creators, content creators that want to get their channel monetized. So if you've been on YouTube for 1 year, 6 months, and nothing is happening, the watch hours are not accumulating, you can also just stream. Stream. After all, the watch hours that come with streaming count towards monetization. Like I said, start your streaming. Start streaming on YouTube using the Restream app. If you're thinking of what is Restream, all you have to do is go to your YouTube, go to your Google, okay? Go to Google and type Restream.io, okay? Once you put in Restream.io, you're going to see something that looks like this. I don't want to come and start showing you how to create a Restream account. That's not what the video is about. I already made a video on how to create a Restream account here and start streaming from your channel. Like you can create these accounts and connect your YouTube channel to the Restream account so you can start streaming. So you're going to see something that looks like this, of course. And you can sign up for free and whatever. When it comes to this part, all you have to do is put in your email address, put in your password, and click on sign up. Okay, I don't want to go into how to do this one. So if you want to create your Restream account, connect your channels and upload your videos and start streaming, I would need you to watch that video to the very end because there are some pros and cons attached to it. Mistakes you should avoid so that your videos don't get taken down or have issues, to avoid copyright claims or copyright issues on your Restream. You can stream for as long as you want on Restream. You can stream from now to 6, 7, 8, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours. Please, this is very important. When you're streaming, In as much as you can stream for as long as you want, you can even stream for 1 day, 2 days at a stretch, but don't make that mistake. Because if you make this mistake on Restream while you're streaming, that your video will not even be uploaded on YouTube to start with. And whatever views and watch hours that came with the video would not be added on YouTube. YouTube won't even record it at all. It won't even be uploaded on your channel, on your dashboard. So as you're streaming for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 hours, make sure that your video does not get up to 12 hours. You can always end your videos as 11 hours, 40 minutes, 11 hours, 50 minutes. Don't allow it to get to 12 hours. Very important. Because I've seen people that complain that they stream for long and they got 6K, 3K, 2K watch hours, and YouTube did this one and did the other one. It's because of there's something that you did wrong. So please avoid these mistakes. Stream the right way. I'm also going to share with you, I think in my next video, where and how you can get those videos that you can use on your Restream to get your watch hours. Because if you want to stream for long, you have to use entertaining videos that will keep people engaged on your channel. If you use boring videos, people will not watch. You won't get watch hours, obviously. People will not want to watch. But if you're using engaging videos, entertaining videos, people will stay there and watch and rewatch. And the more people are watching your videos, the more YouTube is even pushing the video for more people to come and view. And more views you're getting, the more watch hours you're getting, the more subscribers you're also getting. Okay, very important. So like I said, please check the link in the description box for the link to the video on how to create a Restream account and start your live streams. And also check, depending on whenever you see this particular video, where you can get your videos for Restream to avoid copyright issues. And also the third one, pros and cons of streaming. Mistake you should not do on your live streams to avoid going against YouTube community guidelines. So these are basically three different things: how to create your Restream account and start your live streaming, how to get your videos for the live stream to avoid copyright issues, the pros and cons of streaming, and what to do to avoid going against YouTube community guidelines. Because this Restream is almost the same as a normal streaming. Because once you start streaming on Restream, you automatically streaming on your channel. Okay, so be very, very careful. So, like I said, if you're not monetized, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do this to get the channel monetized in 2025. Before this update gets casted and Wahala will start. It's teaching time, safe 9. I will see you guys in my next video. And if you're subscribed yet, do subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss a single thing. You'll only get notified whenever I share videos, because on this channel I share you tips on how to grow a YouTube channel and how to turn your passion into income. See you guys when I see you. Bye.